October 4th, 2016. The Earth's climate and weather-related events are manifesting. The east coast of the United States is now threatened by a mega hurricane that is already causing catastrophic damage to the Caribbean. The impoverished island nation of Haiti is reporting the collapse of buildings and torrential rainfall that has engulfed the island and created gigantic landslides after more than 500,000 people were evacuated just prior to landfall. What is happening here could very well occur along the U.S. East Coast as the storm moves northwest towards Florida and the Carolinas, and then along the Atlantic seaboard. Take a look at the formation of this superstorm as seen from the International Space Station. With no signs of slowing or weakening, Hurricane Matthew, with sustained winds of 145 miles per hour, now takes aim at Florida. Yesterday, Governor Rick Scott declared a statewide state of emergency, urging all residents to prepare for mandatory evacuation orders. Matthew's damage may eclipse the devastation Hurricane Andrew caused in 1992. Nibiru's influence on our planet is causing storms to increase in frequency, size, and intensity. The Atlantic Basin is a kettle of unpredictability with Nibiru in our backyard. NASA keeps insisting that Planet X isn't out there, that it is, in their own words, not going to come and get us. Well, if nothing is coming to get us, then we shouldn't have to worry, right? Unfortunately, it is not that simple. Something very serious is happening to our planet, and most of us have no definitive data to substantiate what is directly causing these great changes to occur, other than speculation and innuendo from scientists and government organizations. Listen to their answers when confronted about the existence of Planet X.
Thank you. I realize you're focusing on near-Earth asteroids today, but there's been so much talk about the potential for finding a Planet X or some sort of large body through the WISE survey. Can you comment on any status on that sort of search, or maybe even reassure people that Planet X isn't coming to get them next year?
Yes, this is Amy Meinzer. I'm happy to answer this one. Planet X is not coming to get us. But we are looking to see if there are any other bodies in the outer part of the solar system with the WISE data. This is a very natural project for WISE. And so we're still working on it right now. We've obviously just returned a huge amount of data from the telescope that's going to take us a long time to sort through. But the initial results are very promising. You may have seen earlier results where we've discovered a new class of very cool type of stars with WISE. But the search is still on, and we don't think that there's anything that's hazardous in the outer solar system. We think that this is just a sort of if there is something out there, it would be a large body in a roughly circular orbit.
In April, I produced a video which revealed the presence of a second sun in our solar system. The video capture was from Brazil, an area in the southern hemisphere where the incoming system would be more visible due to its movement from below Antarctica. In September, another extraordinary capture occurred, showing the brown dwarf star rising behind the hilltop and casting its reflection in the water. If you compare the April observation with the most recent one taken last month, you will notice that the object has become more distinct and much larger. Its proximity has moved closer to the Earth. To understand what I am referring to, take a look at the video comparison, first showing the April capture and then the September capture. Now take a look at this video capture from Italy. I have to say that this is one of the best videos using color inversion to show the presence of Nibiru and its distinct reflection in the water. Since most of these observations are in the infrared light spectrum, they are not visible to the naked eye. However, that is beginning to change. As the system draws nearer to Earth, the Nibiru system, including the multiple sun phenomenon and the dusk and debris tail of Planet X, as well as the comets and asteroids that accompany its approach, will become more visible to the human eye. The skies are certainly becoming very interesting as the system approaches and things begin to take shape. Definitive captures of its presence are now pouring in from all four corners of the Earth. Many are bewildered and confused by what they see, and questioning whether its presence has anything to do with these and many other peculiar and unexplained events taking place on Earth.